First of all, thank you for your congratulations. For us, it's impressive to see how time was running. Being already 16 years now in India and having a production site there. And back to your question, how it has been in the last couple of years, quite busy, frankly spoken. And for us, it was quite a challenge sometimes. And not an external challenge, more an internal challenge to bring the different parts of family using the Schmersal Group together, right? Because we started our business in Germany. Of course, the colleagues of quality, R&D, chasing, they wanted to stay in the driver's seat, right? And they were always sometimes asking questions to block or to slow down the process. And sometimes my job was to convince the people, bring the people together, right? And we are totally proud what we've achieved in the last 10 years here in India. And we are a bit of double proud, let's say this way, that our started with all these kind of activities before this Make in India incentives already started, right? Because when we started, it was quite sometimes a challenge from a legal perspective, tax perspective, government perspective, and also to get people involved. But nowadays, we are settled in a safety perspective. I think we're in the driver's seat here in India. The challenge for the future is, as I said to Saga before, is just stay in the driver's seat in the future, because nowadays a lot of competitors are coming to the Indian market, which is good to India, but the challenge for us, right? They want to set up the production for the local markets, to export, and to have R&D as well. The good thing is we started this kind of story already 10 years ago, so we are totally positive for the future of India and Schmersal together. That's a lovely question, and I think the biggest market here in India is, for me, infrastructure and logistics, because from an infrastructure and logistic perspective, India is still behind its opportunities. So there will be a huge catch-up, right? Have a look into the Indian press. Amazon committed a huge investment now for India, and we want to be part of this wave of success for logistic and transportation industry here in India. I think it's not all about the future. First of all, we have more to create the awareness of safety, right? So, and if you create this awareness on safety to the people, right, and to the production side builder, they will see that the awareness of the safety products can increase also the efficiency of our production. Yeah. And then, of course, we can talk about new technologies, new features, talking about aerial protection like radar, LIDAR, ultrasonic. But at the end of the day, it's a combination of existing products and new features to increase the efficiency. As I said before, I'm totally proud to be part of the success story of India and as Schmersal India, and I'm looking positive in the future, and thanks that you guys are joining us here.